So in the last video we talked about Python numbers, the data types and the likes. So now we are moving on to Python strings. Let me first of all comment out all of this. Yeah, so commenting out all of this, I want to start with Python strings. So let me say I'm having Python strings. Good. So now, talking about Python strings, I made it clear to us before that if we are dealing with Python strings, we are actually dealing with the use of quotation marks. So now the quotation mark may be single quotes or double quotes, but you have to be very careful when you are using them. If you make double quote outside and you want to quote something inside of that double quote, you make it a single quote. This is what I mean. Let's say speech is equals to, I make it as a double quote now, I am CODEMaster. Now let me say I want to quote my name. Let's say I want to quote my other name. I don't make use of another double quote. If I make use of another double quote, it is not actually good, because it can actually throw me an error. It can throw me an error. Sure, you get it. So now let's say I want to write my name, or first of all, instead of me making use of double quotes, I can make use of single quotes. That single quote will actually be more okay, simply because you see that it is going to be giving me now. The reason is that if you are making use of double quotes, it will be seeing this particular, let's say this is a double quote now, it will see this one as one string, it will see the other one as another string. Sure, you get it. So since it is going to be making use of single quote, it will see all of them as a string. And likewise, if you make use of a string, sure you get it. If you make use of a single quote outside, you have to put a double quote inside. So now if I should print it now, let me say print, let's say print speech. So now let me refresh this. I should be having it. So this is the way it will come out. So I've talked about assigning a string through the use of variable. This speech now is a variable name. You can make use of a multi-line string also through the use of, let me say, multi equals to this 3. It should be 3. So let me divide this 3. Let me write random words. Go to the next line. Yeah. So that is the same thing. If I want to print this out now, if I say print multi for me, if I should run it, I will be getting the output. So this is, you can make use of multiple. If I make use of a single quote and I put it down, I will be getting, it actually brought out an escape character for me. So you get it. That is what they call an escape character. An escape character is this one here. It actually signifies that, okay, I have moved from another line to the next line. So if you take everything together, if you still take everything together due to the escape character. But if the escape character is not there, I will be getting an error. I will be getting an error if the escape character is not there. So now, let's talk about strings arrays. String also has its own array. Now, for you to make use of string array, you can actually